Have you ever wondered if there's a simple way to boost your health as you get older? It's natural to search for something easy that can make a big difference. What if I told you that drinking turmeric water could be the answer? For thousands of years, traditional medicine has made use of turmeric. It's famous for its bright yellow color and its powerful health benefits. But why should you, especially if you're over 50, consider making turmeric water a part of your daily routine? Let's dive into the reasons. First, let's talk about inflammation. As we age, our bodies tend to become more prone to inflammation. This can lead to various health issues, from joint pain to more serious conditions like heart disease. Curcumin, a substance found in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory effects. Drinking turmeric water daily can help reduce inflammation in your body. Imagine waking up with less stiffness and discomfort. That's the power of curcumin at work. Turmeric water can also improve your joints. Joint pain and stiffness are common as we get older. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects can help soothe aching joints. But that's not all. Curcumin also helps protect the cartilage that cushions your joints. This means you can move more comfortably and continue enjoying the activities you love. Now let's talk about your heart. Taking care of your heart becomes even more important as you age. Curcumin in turmeric water can help improve the lining of your blood vessels. This lining, known as the endothelium, plays a key role in regulating blood pressure. By improving endothelial function, turmeric water can help keep your heart healthy and your blood pressure in check. That's a pretty impressive benefit from something as simple as a daily drink. But the benefits don't stop there. Turmeric water can also support your brain health. Curcumin has been found to increase levels of a brain hormone called BDNF. BDNF stands for brain-derived neurotrophic factor, and it's essential for the growth and survival of brain cells. As we age, BDNF levels tend to decrease, which can affect memory and cognitive function. By boosting BDNF levels, turmeric water might help keep your brain sharp. Who wouldn't want to protect their memory and thinking skills? Another great benefit of turmeric water is how it supports a healthy digestive system. Digestive issues can become more common as we get older. Curcumin helps promote healthy digestion and can reduce symptoms like bloating and gas. It may also help manage conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. A healthy gut is key to overall well-being, and turmeric water can be a gentle way to support that. Let's not forget about your immune system. As we age, our immune system can become less effective, making us more vulnerable to infections and illnesses. Turmeric is known for its immune-boosting properties. Curcumin enhances the immune system by modulating the activity of immune cells. Drinking turmeric water daily can help keep your immune system strong, giving you extra protection when you need it most. And there's more good news. Turmeric water might also help with weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight becomes more difficult as we age. Curcumin has been shown to influence fat metabolism and reduce the formation of fat tissue. Drinking turmeric water may help you manage your weight more effectively, especially when partnered with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Now, what about your skin? Turmeric has long been celebrated for its skin-enhancing properties. Drinking turmeric water can help your skin from the inside out. Curcumin's antioxidant properties help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. This can lead to a more youthful appearance and a natural glow. Who doesn't want to look their best? Lastly, making turmeric water is incredibly easy. All you need is some turmeric powder and water. You can add a pinch of black pepper to help your body absorb the curcumin more effectively. Just mix it up and you're all set. It's a simple habit that can lead to significant health benefits. So why not give it a try? Incorporating turmeric water into your daily routine is an easy and effective way to support your health after 50. From reducing inflammation and joint pain to boosting brain health and supporting your immune system, the benefits are plentiful. And remember, it's not just about adding years to your life, but adding life to your years. We love hearing from our community. If you've tried turmeric and lemon water as part of your morning routine, please share your experience in the comments below. Your story could inspire others to embark on their own journey towards better health. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. As always, take care of yourself and thanks for watching.